What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make your Instagram account private. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to click on this Instagram icon. After going to your Instagram app, you have to click on your profile. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you so that you can make your profile private. So make sure you have the updated Instagram person to do so. What you need to do next is click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. After clicking on this, here you can see there is a bunch of options. What you need to do is find the account and privacy option, like here. After finding it, you have to click on this accounts and privacy. After clicking on this, here you can see here is the option, that private account. You need to turn this on. After clicking on turn on, you have to click on switch to private. After clicking this on, you are ready to go. Your account has been privated. So this is how you can make your profile, Instagram profile, private. I hope you like this video and leave a like on this video. Subscribe my channel. Peace.